Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. In this video, we are going to initialize the TableView control. So we have a start method entry point, right? So in that start method entry point, we just append this piece of code. These are all already added by the scene builder. We just plug the code to set title for our window or stage. Next, we declare a member observable list of person contact, and we state that as data model. So in our previous video, we created the class definition for person contact. Person contact contains 3 private string member to denote person name, age, as well as phone number. So in the initialize method, fx collection dot observable array list, so this will return a collection, and we are initializing the data model with this observable array list. So now this data model is a observable array list of person contact instance. So using this data model, you can create instance of person contact and add one by one. So if you want to store 5 persons contact, you can create 5 instance of person contact, populate the members, then add it to this data model collection. Then we already have table contact, right? So for table contact, we are making call to set items and we pass our data model. So that means the table contact depends on the person contact class, or in other words, person contact class will supply data for the TableView control. So here you can see the definition of person contact. We already designed this in our previous video. So these are all the private members, and we provided the public accessor, I mean the properties for these private members. All right, here if you see table call name, this is the name given for our table column, right? This is one table column. This one is the table column for age, and this one is the table column for phone number. All these table columns are tied to table contact. So this is TableView instance, and these 3 are table column instances. Table call name dot set cell value factory. Here we are associating the table column with the instance of person contact. We will see that. New property value factory, here we specify person contact. This is the class instance name, and string is the type, and then we specify the name, person name. Right here if you see, person name is coming from here. Similarly, we specify person age for the second table column, and we associate phone number for the third column. So the class instance which is supplying data is person contact, and we specify the data type also in the angle bracket. So in the generic type, we resolved the types. So one is class and another one is a specific data type. Then we are asking the table column to go to this class, and search for this specific property or specific member person name. So using get and set person name, the table column will read or write data to this data model. All right, next, if you see, we create some sample data. We are instantiating our person contact class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 instances we are creating here. This is name, age, and phone number. After creating those data, we add these data to the data model. And remember, data model was already set to our table contact. So if you simply populate this data model at runtime, the table will display all the information. Why? Because a column association also already done. Right? All right. Now we will go to the demo. So first thing what we want to do here is go to the start method, stage. Here we have the stage, right? Okay, stage here is coming as a parameter, so we can set the title for the stage. So we just set a title. Then we will go to the controller class. Controller class already contains declaration for the UI elements. Now we will add our data model, and we will name this as, so observable list is from JavaFx collection. Then we will add the code snippet in the initialize method. So the controller's initialize method will be called before displaying the stage. So this code was already explained in the slide. Now we will just import the classes JavaFX collection, FX collection, then okay, here we haven't yet resolved this, right? So what we have to do, we will resolve the type here, person contact. Now the error is resolved here. Next, property value is from JavaFX scene control cell property value factory. So this will resolve the specific class. Here you can see this is the import. So as already explained in the code, we create a 6 person contact entry, then we are adding it to the data model. So data model was already assigned to our table contact, and the table contact you can see here. So this one was already added in our previous video through scene builder. Now we will build this and run the JavaFx GUI file. It contains the main, right? So here you can see the TableView control is populated with all the data, name, age, phone number, right? So the JavaFx TableView control allows you to exchange the column as well. So for that you have to click on the column, then you can move so that you can interchange the column order. So name is displayed first, then phone number. So now I am switching back the age. So if you click the column name, it will perform sorting as well. Here if you see, the sorting is performed based on age, and if you want to perform sorting based on name, you can do that as well. So Abdul Rahman is displayed first, Ramanan is displayed as a last row. If you click again, this will be in the reverse order. Alright, that's all here in the table view. In the next video, we will handle the button click event. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.